Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that most people tend to avoid, and that is death. I'm not trying to be morbid, but I recently notarized a durable power of attorney for someone, and it really got me thinking, are we having these conversations with our families and loved ones? I think it's something that we should do, even though it may be awkward or feel weird or make you emotionally sad. I know this is a sensitive topic, but comment below if you've had such conversation with your family members or loved ones, and how did you approach it? So I'm going to just give you a brief couple of tips on this subject, and I'll leave it alone. I promise it's going to be a short video today. But if you think about it, it could be a stress reliever for some people to have this conversation, but they may be reluctant to bring it up to you because it could relieve stress in knowing that their wishes will be granted or taken care of, or at least considered in having this conversation, and the proper vital documents prepared and set up accordingly. We should all consider having a will and a durable power of attorney for health and financial reasons. From what I understand, a will is a legal document that determines the distribution of your assets, who will care for your minor children, etc. A durable power of attorney, on the other hand, is someone that you appoint as a person with powers and rights to make healthcare related decisions and or financial decisions should you become incapacitated or unable to handle those things yourself. Pre-planning and appointing a person who you've talked to about your wishes from a health care perspective or a financial perspective should give you peace of mind. You want to make sure the person that you're appointing is trustworthy, of course, a good communicator, someone that makes good decisions, and someone that will pay bills on time and just kind of, get the business side of things handled properly. Without a will or a POA, power of attorney, decisions will be made by the court. And as you all may know, that could cause strife within the family. Another tip to consider is check with your company benefits or talk to your HR representative of that company to determine if your company has a free will preparation or legal services that is included in your benefits. You definitely want to take advantage of those company benefits. At my previous company, we had a free will preparation benefit, and it's been a while since I set it up. It is a process, but it's still relatively easy to complete. So definitely take advantage of that. And if you're not with a company that maybe doesn't have that benefit, that's fine. You can do it on your own. What you'll need to do is do some research, talk to a local attorney that handles estate planning like that, or go to your Google, right? We all can Google things, or Legal Shield, or I think they're called is it Legal Shield or Legal Zoom? One of those. Any online service that may have templates that you can use, and again, do some research and you can pretty much get one set up. But I do advise talking to an attorney or someone that specializes in this type of benefit. And once I did all of that, that helped me to initiate a conversation with my own mother, who was very open to talk about it. But that is certainly a way that you can start the conversation with your family. Don't forget to review those important documents every couple years, or if you have significant life-changing events like you get married or get divorced, you definitely want to update those things. I have heard of a few situations in which an ex-spouse was still included in the will or as a beneficiary, and from what I understand, there's not much a family can do about that on the back end. So you definitely want to keep those documents up to date. You also want to consider updating your bank accounts, 401ks, IRAs, pensions, anything that is important to you or an important document that your loved one would need to have should you pass away. So enough on that topic. My last point is to plug my service. So if you're in Missouri, in the St. Louis County area specifically, call me if you need to notarize these types of documents. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side of HR.